Good afternoon, everyone. Personally, I want to thank Powerade for this opportunity. I'm very excited about this partnership. For me personally, as I continue to evolve and grow as an athlete and as a human being, I want to always bring awareness as well as motivate and inspire young girls and young boys, especially to believe in themselves, believe in their dreams, and know that with hard work anything is possible. You can use your talent to professionally play football and help your family, or if that's not what you truly desire, you can also get an education to further your studies. So I think with that being said, me partnering with Powerade, I truly believe that with a structure and an organized plan, we can definitely help to inspire and motivate young boys and girls. So I'm excited for the future and I can't wait and I'm looking forward to it.